Shakespeare Lives was about celebrating Shakespeare, really, particularly to make his work more accessible again, to bring new audiences to his work. So we were asked to look at developing something based on a Shakespeare piece that reimagined that piece for a younger audience and made heavy use of digital.
Miranda and Caliban, The Making of a Monster, was a live performance that took place in Hong Kong and in Glasgow. It looked at the main characters who were in the Tempest, and it looked at the relationship between Caliban and Miranda and tried to work out what was at the heart of that relationship. So we're using a lot of technology in terms of linking up the two cities by video conference, but also looking at how we communicate. So the whole show was in English, Cantonese, British Sign Language, Hong Kong Sign Language. So you had 4 languages going on all at the same time, which was great but also quite a headache.
Shakespeare has to be reinterpreted, I think, because it's some of the greatest writing in anybody's literature, you know. And the themes are universal, and the themes are hugely relevant today.
The technological aspects became really important because the distance that allows you to put between yourself and the issue is really important. You know, everyone now can comment on a death or an incident on Facebook and Twitter, and we can all be so up in arms about it, but it's always at a distance, it's always removed. It felt appropriate to the show and to how we work to separate the cast, to put 7,500 miles between them, and then say, right, on you go, let's make a piece of theatre.
Yeah, the approach we took to the show was to stage a trial by TV, if you like. It's multilingual, so a TV studio is actually a very good setting for something like that. This kind of mixture of languages and cultures seems very natural to Hong Kong, and thus it seemed quite natural for this piece. We live in a multilingual world, you know, and that's the world I want to celebrate, that we as a company celebrate.
Miranda and Caliban wouldn't have been the show it was for that collaboration with Hong Kong. It just wouldn't have worked. It was key that we were working over there. We were embedded in their world, in their culture, and we were learning from them about their approaches to making work accessible, and to making work on a large scale. They had that experience. So the collaboration brought a lot of lessons for us, and hopefully gave them a lot to think about how we approach work.
佢係即呢個唔係一個，因為藝術真係冇疆界嘅，即係可以一齊做到係嗰件事咧，即係大家係唔需要透過任何即係語言上面嘅分別啊，即係大家同樣做緊嗰件事，大家就會明㗎啦，嗰個方法。
因為我哋一齊合作之後咧，大家有唔同嘅意見，我哋可以能夠溝通到之後咧，一定有一個好好嘅結果。但係咧，問題一定有嘅，唔可以避免。我哋就係用互相合作、互相去鼓勵啦，去幫助對方啦。有乜問題我哋就一齊去解決啦。
In terms of disability culture, there's a lot of interesting questions around, well, what is it to be the other, and how is the other perceived in mainstream culture? For me, the legacy of this commission, of this production, and all being commissioned by the British Council, is this idea that there's always a new way to approach Shakespeare, that there's always a new way to look at what Shakespeare can be and what it can mean.